Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix volume problem in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, check your phone is not turn on silent mode. So after checking, open control center, swipe down and click on focus. You will check do not disturb mode is turned on. So if you want to turn off do not disturb mode, so after turn off do not disturb mode, you will check your volume problem is solved. So if it not solved, so increase the volume from here and you will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so click the volume up button and volume down button and you will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so go to app library, and click on utilities folder. Now I click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on general. Now I click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26. So after the procedure, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix volume problem in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.